Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you, no joke, it works. Grandma taught me this hair growth recipe. My hair is thicker now and let's check it out. My friends, this hair growth, it's not like any hair growth you watch before. It is super effective. It's a grandma taught and it is amazingly effective in growing hair in places that is fallout or an empty spots, and is super effective in growing hair super thick and super fast. The first ingredient we need to add is around 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves. Then we need to add on it hot boiling water. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or apple vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of that. Now mix very well all the ingredients. Now you have two options. Strain it and place it into a spray bottle to spray it in your hair, or apply it simply with a cotton ball. Dip in the cotton ball into the remedy like so, and drop on your hair after it gets warm, not while it's hot like so, and apply it on your hair. It's going to grow the hair for you, and it's going to fill any places that you do have bald spots or any kind of empty spots in your hair. Will grow the hair super fast, super long, naturally, and it's very simple to prepare. Use it every day before you sleep and you're going to notice a great results in hair growth, and it's going to get you the best results. After using that remedy for 30 days, you will get an amazingly hair growth, and you will get rid of any kind of bald spots or places that you don't have hair in it. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.